Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your ZArchiver app. So all you have to do to fix it on your app, so you just click here on settings here, so then it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click here on apps, so then it's going to take us to next step here or apps list. Then you just go down here, so then you keep going down here, then you just click here on ZArchiver, so you search for your ZArchiver app here, so you will click on it here, then it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do now, just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. Then you go down here, you click here on storage and you come to next step here on storage list, so just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, to just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So if this video helped you, so just don't forget to put like in this video. So thank you for your watching.